Integrated Cognitive Learning Platforms Admin User Guide. Log in into the system with the given staff credentials. This is admin's home page. You will find several features under certain groups. In this video, we will mainly cover some of the basic features that are required to set up a course, like managing courses, managing assessments and scheduling. First, click on Manage Courses to initiate a new course, or edit one. Here, enter the new course name that you want to create, and provide other course information, and click on Add. If you want to make any changes to the existing course, then select the course name from this drop-down, and click on Update after making necessary changes. Use this Publish checkbox here at any time, to make a course available to public, or to hide. Now we need to add a structure and content to this course. For it, go to Homepage and click on Manage Topics. Select the created course name from this drop-down. You add structure to the course here. Your course's table of contents comes here. You can add, modify or delete topics to the course selected. Use this field to enter a new topic name. Or select a topic to modify its name or position in the structure. Use these up and down arrows to move a topic's sequence order. Use these left and right arrows to make it a main topic or subtopic. Click on Save once done with changes. Now let's go to the Manage Resources page to add content to these topics. Select a course and topic to which you want to add resources. Resource types can be videos, PDF files, HTML text or web pages, and are used for concept classes, homework, study material, references, assignments or quiz. All the existing resources will be shown here. By clicking on a resource, you can preview it here. To add a new resource, select for what the resource is to be added. Select the type of the resource file that you want to upload. If resource to add is a web page, then enter its URL here. If resource is HTML text, then use this editor, and create your content, using the formatting options in the ribbon, or alternatively, if you can write the HTML code, then click here to write the same. If need to upload any PDF or videos, then select the respective type. Check the local checkbox and choose a file. Give a sequence number for the resource here, if you want to place it some order in the list. Give a name to the resource and click on Save. Now our course content is ready. Let's even add some questions to make it complete. To do so, click on Manage Questions. Select a course and a topic. All existing questions and its options, if any, will be shown here. You can edit and save them. Else, to add a new question, click this plus here. Add a title to question, and write the question here using the editor. For complex question formats such as equations in mathematics, you can use these links to design and get the HTML code. For example, let's create a mathematics equation by clicking here. Design your equation here. Copy this HTML code. Paste it here in the HTML editor. You can see the converted equation by going here. Once done, if it is a normal multiple choice question, then click on Add New Question to create the same. Else if you want to change the question type and complexity to any other, and to add more features, click on this link. Here, you can change the question type to multiple correct, one word, or descriptive, and can set a different complexity level. If you want to reserve this question for exams only, and not to display and practice questions, then select this checkbox. At any time you can publish or hide a question from appearing by using this Publish checkbox. Use these two editors for giving the solution and clues respectively. If any solution video is available, then give its URL here. If the entered question is from any previous papers, then can give its name, year, and set, for reference. Once done, click on Add New Question. Now select the created question and click on this plus sign to add the responses. Enter the response, and click on this checkbox if it is a right option, else, click Add New Option and similarly proceed to add the other options. You can disable any option by using this Publish checkbox. Now as we have questions ready, let's create some question papers. Select the required topic. Enter a name for the question paper. You can use these options to pick questions based on the filter type. If this paper should be available for final exams only, and not for practice, then select this checkbox. Questions in the paper can be picked, manually or automatically based on the selection. To pick manually, use this checkbox. Here give instructions to the paper if any. And here you can give instructions of this section. Give the total time of the exam. Select the type of questions that should be included in this section. And the difficulty level. Click on Available Questions to see the number of available in the selected type. If paper is to be set automatically, then give the number of questions out of available to be picked, and here marks per question. If manual selection, then click on Show Questions and pick the required questions by even assigning marks for each. If negative marking is there, then use this field. You can have multiple sections in a paper. To include a new section, use this link. Once done, click on Add New Question Paper. You can also edit an existing paper by selecting from here. Now click on Manage Schedules to set various events. From here you can schedule exams, live classes, assignments, and announcements. To schedule a live class, select it. Select a video in the resource type. Select a course and topic. Click on the web conferencing link that you have set up. Create a meeting schedule there, and paste its URL in this box with the title for the meeting in here. You can use any of the conferencing tools of your choice. Enter the scheduled date and time, and select the participants. It could be to all the course takers, or to an individual, or group. Click on Schedule. Participants will be alerted, through SMS, and mail on the same. To schedule a time-bound exam, select Exam and Question Paper in Resource Type. Select a topic and a paper out of the Available, in the Resource drop-down. You can preview the paper here. Enter a date and time. Select the intended users. And click on Schedule. For announcements, use the editor to create the announcement, and submit after making the necessary selections. The admin can also view the reports related to the students' enrollments, and their progress. Click on Student Reports in Students Group. Here you can get different reports, institute-wise, course-wise, students-wise. This covers the basic setups that are required to launch a course. For more, please contact